Hello guys, and welcome to Invocation Tech. So in this demonstration we are going to be closing a ticket. So you're gonna go to the search bar and write issue trains, then click on open when you see the icon. So it's already in open, so you're gonna find the exact ticket they want you to close, not these. No, not these. So we need to find the exact ticket. So need Audacity installed. So it's this. So click on close, comments. You can write anything you want to write. So just copy and paste is more better though. So copy and paste it, and click on the plus sign. It's already closed. Confirm it by going to the close session, so you can see it there though. So that's all for this demonstration.